Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cook assorted meat jollof rice. So to start with, I've got some beef there. It's been cut into small chunks. That is tripe I have cut into small pieces. Now I also have some smoked turkey which has been cooked to some degree, and cow skin that has been cut into small chunks. That is tripe, what it looks like before it's been cut into small chunks, and that is what cow skin looks like. That has been cooked and has been softened. Right, so into a cooking pot, I'm going to introduce the beef and the tripe. So the cow skin will be introduced into the cooking when it's about halfway done, and then the smoked turkey will be fried later with the rest of the meat. So I'm just going to go ahead now to season the meat. In there goes some coriander, a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of thyme, some sliced onions, a handful of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and some salt. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good mix, add some water just to give it some stock or broth. I'm just going to cover that and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes on a medium heat. So I'm just going to go ahead and fry the assorted meat. So that's the smoked turkey, the cow skin, also called pomo, by the way, the beef, as well as the tripe. I'm going to fry all those together until they are golden brown. So in order to make the jollof rice, I like to use the oil from the frying of the meat because it's so flavor packed, and it's just ideal and good for making your jollof rice. So in the oil, I'm going to add the chopped onions and some bay leaves, and the bay leaves just helps to give you that extra fragrance, that's unique fragrance you find with jollof rice. And then in goes 2 scoops of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now with the tomato puree, I'm going to fry those until you get a rich brown red color, or a rich brown red brick color. And that is the color that is ideal for making your patty jollof rice. So if you'd like to know how I made this blended pepper, check my previous video on how to cook the perfect Nigerian patty jollof rice, and I'll also drop that link in this video. Okay, so after about 10 minutes of cooking the pepper sauce, I'm just going to go ahead and add the washed rice. This is about approximately 3 cups of washed rice, and it requires little or no water. Jollof rice requires little or no water at all. I'm going to stir that and cover it for about 15 minutes on a low heat. Afterwards, I'll check it by stirring just to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. And that's all you need to do. Just leave it on a low heat and allow it to cook. So at this point, the jollof rice is almost cooked, and I'm just adding some sliced onions and tomatoes to the jollof rice just to enhance the flavor and give it some nice color. This will be followed by a plop of butter just to help to enhance the shine of the jollof rice as well. I'm going to allow that to cook on a low heat for about another 5 minutes before I then introduce the assorted meat. This will be stirred well into the jollof rice, and voila, our jollof rice is ready. So I went ahead to try the assorted meat jollof rice, and it tasted so good. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching.